Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to get cheaper Boost Mobile, or even like how you can get a discount and how the whole process works. So first thing first, with the Boost Mobile, what you can actually get. So the first thing is use the Boost One app to earn coins by watching ads, completing offers to pay for your bill. So choosing the $25 a month forever plan. So it really depends like if you're in the US or Australia, but it applies for the both. Also buying discounted pre-owned phones. So the first thing, Boost One app, then also Boost Perks. So use the app to get exclusive discounts on dining, hotels, or shopping. Also switching and porting. So if you can find a deal like $10 per month for the first 3 months, and when you can like port to something else, then come back. Also multi-line discount, referrals. So if you're gonna get, that's something that you want to actually check if you can find referrals. And then if you can like refer, you're gonna get like $25 in account credit. So that's like another thing. And of course, like buying the pre-owned device from Boost to save up to $150. So this is something that you can also do and would be great if you want to check it out. So these are the things on what I would recommend to do and how the whole process works. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day.